some whiskers around the eye and around the nose. So let's learn from the beginning. First, I'm using a sky blue color pastel pencil. This is from Krita color band, and this white pencil is a white charcoal pencil from Brustro brand. I'm doing the eye, two eyes first, then I'll go thereafter. The white charcoal pencil, and this is a gel pen. I use this gel pen for thin lines where you need a very sharp pencil, but these charcoal pencils you cannot get that sharp point. So slowly my drawing will get the shape. Now if you want to draw this, you can draw with me. Just brought a white charcoal pencil and a black paper. I'll give the link of the materials I am using in the description box so that you can buy from there the white pencil and the black paper. So this is a portrait of a black panther, actually not a tiger. This is a black panther and their body is black and some hairs are shining from the dark. This is the concept of this drawing. I'll not take too much time, and in simple ways you can understand what I'm trying to draw.